Morning. Alright, so it is workout time, and today, remember, we're doing the layout where we've got like 5 cardio exercises, 5 lower body exercises, and then 5 upper body / ab exercises. And we do each one 50 seconds, 10-second rest, 15 exercises through, 1 minute rest, and then we go again. Alright, let's do it. So starting off with high knees and tuck jumps. Let's go. We've got 10 seconds to get ready, and then we're going high knees and then a tuck. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So high knees and tuck it up. Keep it going. More seconds. And then we've got twist jumps. So you've got 10 seconds to get ready, and we're just going to twist side to side. Ready? Let's go. You just twist your body side to side. We're halfway there. More seconds. And then we've got in and out jumps. So if you've got a band, pop it onto these. If not, you can just do it without. We're going to start with our legs together. We're going to jump out into a squat and then back into the middle. Remember, chest to the floor, and then jump it all the way up. Let's go. Keep it moving, 10 more seconds. Alright, and then we've got crossbody mountain climbers. Still onto our hands. Elbow, knee to our opposite elbow. Ready? Halfway there. squat. So we're going to pull our knees in and out twice. We're going to go up and down into a squat, and then we'll go again. If you don't have a band, just do normal squats. We're halfway there. And then we've got glute bridges and abduction, so up to the top. Knees in and out twice. Ready? We have got curtsy leg raises. So we're going to curtsy, we're going to lift our leg up, and we're just doing 25 seconds each side. So curtsy behind, leg to the side. More seconds on this side, and then swap to the other side. And then we have got walking squats. So we're going to walk forwards and back, just do as many steps as you can. Ready? Squat nice and low. We're just walking forwards and back. Stay as low as you can. Keep it moving. More seconds. Whew. Keep it moving. And then we're going to do our worms. So from standing up, you're going to just crawl all the way out and all the way back up. You don't need to do a press at the bottom. Ready? Let's go. Let's go all the way out, all the way back. Keep it moving. So we're going to do your leg raise and twist towards that side. Ready? Let's go, reach with the upper toe. Shoulders off the floor. Then we have got plank climbs. So into our plank, we're going from a low plank to a high plank. So from forearms to press up position. Ready? Let's go. Keep your belly button into your spine. So fingers facing you, warm up, bend at your elbows, tap the opposite toe, and then tricep dip, tap the opposite toe. Halfway there. Alright, and then last minute, we've just got V crunches and then we've got a minute's rest. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So out here, we're tucking into the middle. If you really struggle with these, just do normal crunches. And remember with these, the more you take your body back, the harder they are. More seconds. Alright, and then a minute's rest and then we'll go again from the top. That was hard. So just take your time, have a little rest. Keep breathing, we got 15 more seconds and then we'll get ready for our high knees. Alright, 10 seconds to get ready and then we've got high knees and tuck jump. 15 more seconds. Alright, and then we've got in and out jumps. So if you've got a band, pop it on. We're going to have our feet together, we're going to jump out into a squat and bring it back in. Keep it going. Halfway there. So 10 seconds to get ready for them. And remember, we're taking it all the way down to the floor and jumping it back up. Ready? Let's go. Halfway there. Alright, and then we've got crossbody mountain climbers. So knees to opposite elbow. Alright, right position, let's go. We're halfway there. 10 more seconds. Alright, and then into our squat. So we're doing 2 abductions to earn a squat. If you don't have a band, just do normal squats. Remember to keep your weight in your heels. Pull your knees apart as much as you can. Into our glute bridges and abduction. So up to the top, pull your knees apart, and your glute bridge. Ready? Let's go. And then we have got curtsy leg raises. So remember, curtsy it back, leg out to the side, 25 seconds each side, so curtsy, kick it up. Other side, curtsy behind, kick it out. Alright, and then we've got fire hydrant, so onto your knees, taking your leg out to the side. Let's go. 25 seconds each side. Keep it going. Other side. Ten more seconds. Alright, and then we've got walking squats, so squatted down, walking forwards and back. So let's go. Ready? Stay as low as you can, keep your knees apart as much as you can. More seconds. Alright, and then we got worms. Remember, you don't need to do the press at the bottom, just crawl all the way out and then all the way back up. Ready? And then we've got our opposite toe reaches, 25 seconds each side. Let's go. So twist to that side, really lift your shoulder up. Alright, and then next we've got plank climb, so into our lower plank climb. up to the top. Ready? Let's go. Keep it going. We're halfway there. Alright, and then last thing, we've got our V-sits. Ready? 2, 1, let's go. Crunch in the middle, take it out. Remember, if these are way too hard, just do normal crunches. Keep it moving, 30 more seconds. We're halfway there. Keep it going all the way to the end. 10 more seconds. And there we go. Alright, reach forward over your toes. Stretch it there. Bottoms of your feet together. Push your knees out and down. Leg over the top, twisting the opposite way. And the other leg over the top. And then hips into the floor. Sit back on your heels. One arm across. And the other side. Take it up and over. And the other side. And there we go.